Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between BitMart and Shakepay. BitMart and Shakepay are both cryptocurrency platforms, but they serve different purposes and offer different features. BitMart is a global cryptocurrency exchange platform where users can buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. It offers spot trading, futures trading, and a variety of other features typically found on more complex exchanges. BitMart offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies for trading, including many coins that aren't available on smaller or more region-specific platforms. It offers advanced trading options including spot trading, futures contracts, and margin trading, catering to both beginners and advanced traders. BitMart is available to users worldwide, offering support for multiple languages and currencies. BitMart offers competitive trading fees, especially for high-volume traders or those using their native token $BMX. BitMart also offers staking, where users can earn rewards on certain cryptocurrencies as well as other DeFi features. BitMart experienced traders looking for advanced trading tools and a wide range of cryptocurrency options. Users seeking to trade cryptocurrencies with low fees, especially for high-volume trading. Those interested in using advanced features like futures and margin trading. While Shakepay is Canadian cryptocurrency exchange that focuses on simplicity and ease of use, allowing users to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum. It also includes features like a prepaid crypto Visa card. Shakepay's platform is designed to be beginner-friendly with an emphasis on simplicity and ease of navigation, making it ideal for those new to cryptocurrencies. Shakepay specializes in two of the most popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. While this limits the variety of assets, it makes the platform less overwhelming for beginners. Users can fund their accounts instantly through interest transfer for Canadian users or use their Shakepay Visa card to spend crypto. Shakepay offers free withdrawals to Canadian bank accounts, which is a valuable feature for users in Canada. It allows users to spend cryptocurrency anywhere Visa is accepted, converting crypto to Canadian dollars in real time. Canadian users who want an easy-to-use platform for buying and selling Bitcoin and Ethereum. Beginners looking for a straightforward platform to invest in crypto. Users who want to spend cryptocurrency through a prepaid card. If you are looking for a more diverse and advanced cryptocurrency exchange, especially if you are an experienced trader or futures trading or staking features. And choose Shakepay if you are a beginner in Canada and want a simple, easy-to-use platform to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, with features like a crypto Visa card and free withdrawals Canadian bank accounts. So this is the difference between BitMart and Shakepay. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.